Good afternoon, Nola here. I have another kit started for you guys. Now this is the base fabric of the kit, and I will only have 4. That's all the fabric I have. So I'll just show you some of the pieces that'll be going in it. This one, it goes very well with those roses or whatever they are. They're not roses. What are they? Dahlias? I don't know. Anywho, let's see. Then I have this lace, which, gosh, it's almost the same berry color, isn't it? So there's that one. And then I have this piece, and this comes with a backing. It's kind of pretty, matches very well. And then this one, which is kind of fun. It's got the ruffles on it. So there's a little piece of that. There's a small piece of this fabric. Here again, another one. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece of what is this? Drawing a blank. Don't know. It's afternoon. I'm tired. What can I say? There. And this one. And this green and this green are perfect together. Then we've got another big piece of upholstery fabric that matches. Whether you want to do something else or whatever. We have a nice shiny piece of, well, I don't know if this is satin. Don't know. But it's sure pretty anyway. And a couple of pieces of green. There's this gorgeous piece. Chiffon, is that what it's called? And then there's another piece here. And another piece that goes over top. And that, I believe, goes at any rate. Very pretty. Here's a piece of ribbon. I only had 4 pieces this size, so that's what's in here. There again with this ribbon, I only had 4 pieces. Then there's some dangle that goes very well with this. And then for a little contrast, I've got this fabric, and I love this fabric. This one here. So you've got a piece of that. And a lighter piece of lace. And another piece of peach with lace. And then it's got this little teeny lace down here too, where it's gathered. Another piece of peach. And this one is doubled over. And then this is a light peach color. And then I put in a couple of these cross stitch pieces, and one of these pink pieces, and some of this ribbon. Beautiful. And then I put in 3 of these doilies. So that's the new one, and let's just call this one Rose rather than a number, and it will be $23.50. So thank you very much for watching, and remember, I only have 4. So let me know if you're interested. Bye for now.